Simon, dapat magpalagay ka ng muscles. Magpataba ka.
Muscles? Oh my God. I hate muscles. If you know what I mean, I hate. I really, really hate muscles. That's what makes you beautiful.
Ayun na yung pinaka-leader.
Basketball.